Running an affiliate campaign for a subscription-based product can seem daunting, but it's actually easier than it sounds, especially with the right tools. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up and run successful affiliate campaigns for these types of products, step by step. Stick around because by the end, I'll share a way to get started with a free trial of the best software to help you run these campaigns. The first thing you need to do is select a solid affiliate platform. For subscription-based products, you want a platform that tracks recurring commissions effectively. This is essential because with subscription models, affiliates need to earn commissions, not just on the initial sale, but on the ongoing renewals too. The software we'll be using today is perfect for that and allows easy tracking and payouts for recurring commissions. Next, create an affiliate program that attracts top-tier affiliates. Don't just set a flat commission. Make it enticing by offering higher rates for recurring payments. A common approach is to offer affiliates a percentage of each payment for the lifetime of the subscription, not just the first. This builds loyalty among affiliates and ensures they'll promote your product longer. Once your affiliate program is set up, it's time to recruit affiliates. To do this, focus on affiliate marketers who have a relevant audience for your product. You can find them through networks, by browsing social media, or even by reaching out directly to influencers who already promote similar subscription services. You'll want affiliates who are passionate about what you're offering, as they will sell your product more effectively. Now, let's talk about the content affiliates need. Give them high-quality marketing materials that are easy to share. This includes banners, email templates, and ad copy. The key here is to make it easy for them to promote your product so they can get started immediately and begin driving sales. If they can't access good promotional content quickly, they might get discouraged and move on to another offer. Tracking and optimizing your affiliate campaign is crucial. Use the affiliate software to track performance in real time, so you can see which affiliates are performing best, what traffic sources are converting, and which campaigns need improvement. You should be constantly optimizing to make sure you're getting the most out of your affiliates and your subscription product. The final step is providing affiliates with incentives to keep promoting your subscription product. Consider offering bonuses for affiliates who hit specific sales milestones, or create tiered commission structures based on performance. This motivates affiliates to work harder and drive better results for you in the long run. So, what's the key takeaway from this video? Running affiliate campaigns for subscription-based products comes down to setting up the right affiliate program, recruiting the right affiliates, giving them the best tools to succeed, and then tracking performance for optimization. If you can nail these basics, you're well on your way to creating a highly effective affiliate campaign. Before you go, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we use today, available in the description below. It's a game changer for managing affiliate campaigns, and you can follow along as you set up your own campaign. Quick recap: choose the right affiliate platform, create a commission structure that rewards ongoing subscriptions, recruit the right affiliates, provide great marketing materials, and track everything to optimize your efforts. That's it. You're ready to run a successful affiliate campaign for a subscription-based product. Thanks for watching.